So today on the bench I have this beautiful handcrafted suitcase record player made by Victrola. I can get in, I can give you the serial number there, the model number rather. The client brought this in and said that he plugged it in one day and it smoked. And it hasn't worked since. So we're going to open it up, take a look, and see what's going on here. There's the inside. It looks nice, but unfortunately these things are just so cheap. Well, cheaply made. We'll get it opened up and take a look inside, see what's going on with it. Okay, so we've got this on the bench. It's ready to go, so I'm just going to take her lid off here. See what's going on. So this is a sentimental unit that was apparently given to my client by his late mother. It was a gift, and he wants to get it working again. Okay, we have wires. Not much going on in here. Oh. Yeah, and I can see a problem already. Alfredo. And another one I noticed right there. It's got a little bit of a scorch mark back here. So those two chips, which I'm guessing that's probably an amp chip by the looks of it. I'd have to zoom in and get a number off that. And then this one over here is most likely Bluetooth. There's the antenna there. Okay, I'm going to try to get the number off these chips here and see if I can find a replacement online. See what we can do for this thing. Oh, that's it there. Oh, look at that. That's the board I'm working on. So somebody else has had the same problem. Power amplifier. So YD3412, so the power amplifier is the one with the bigger chunk of burn. That one is completely fried. I couldn't even read it, but somebody in Reddit had the same board, same problem. And this is the power amplifier chip. So, data sheet, AliExpress, good old AliExpress. So, replacement parts. Item is no longer available. Okay. So there's a chip on UT Source. Now UT Source is a pretty good website. They usually have hard to find chips that are mass produced in China. I checked DigiKey and Mouser, and they don't have these chips at all. So basically we have usually when I buy these kinds of chips, I usually buy a little bit more just so I have them in stock in case I come across this again. So I usually buy 6. If it's cheap, I'll buy 6. You know, if I think I'm going to see more, I'll buy more. But I think 6 would be a pretty good number for this. So for about 6, it's US $9, say. And then shipping, I can pay, if I wanted it quickly, I could pay FedEx $26 for 3 to 5 days, or Canada Post about $80. 7 to 10 days. So you'd probably go for this. So all in all, he's looking at about say after exchange and everything, say $25. Say the other chip was going to be the same because I can't find them out. If I can find it, say it'd be the same situation. That would be another $25 of 50/50, and then the cost of repair. He's going to be over the cost of the new price of a new unit. So I'm not sure he's going to want to do that. Now, alternatively, what you can do is you can go onto a place like Facebook Marketplace or Kijiji, and there's somebody selling the exact same one for $40. So he has an attachment to the one that he has right now. Changing the insides isn't going to make much difference, I don't think. But yeah, if he wanted to just swap out that board instead of paying for the chips and waiting for days, he could just buy this one off Facebook Marketplace and have it back in a day or so. So I'm going to present those options to him and see what he wants to do. And if he does want to do it, I will be back with a part 2 to this video on changing those boards out. And then maybe we can get this working for him again, and his mother's present to him can live on. So for now, that's going to be it for this Victrola record player. I'll just put it back together for now. And there are probably other units that use those chips, so it's really anything made by this Victrola company would probably utilize the same chip. So if you can find any units on a buy and sell or whatever that basically are made by Victrola, they may have it, and you can just harvest the parts from that unit. So I'm going to see what this client would like to do, and we'll be back from there. Okay, so client basically said that one day he went to plug it in and he wasn't using the right wall wart, and he plugged it in, there was a little spark, and there was all kinds of smoke. So he overvolted it, and who knows about the polarity, probably reverse polarity too. Either way, it's screwed. That's why those chips are in the condition that they're in. He's going to think about what he wants to do. To me, it's kind of obvious. Me personally, I would just buy the $40 unit off the marketplace and swap the boards. But we'll see what he wants to do. If he wants to order just the chips and do it that way, that's what we'll do. But it's more cost effective just to buy the used unit and basically swap out the boards. So we'll see what he wants. Whenever he comes back and wants to do this, I'll be back with the part 2 on this video. So for now, thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll be back soon with the Victrola record player. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.